Setting up your very own contests and your own WordPress website could not be easier with RafflePress. I'll be using the Pro version, which comes packed full of excellent features. In this video, I will show you how to redirect users to a thank you page after they have finished entering your giveaway. Everyone here at RafflePress loves having you part of the community, so please subscribe, hit the like button and the bell to be notified of future videos. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is log into your WordPress dashboard, and I've gone ahead and created a thank you page already using a plugin called SeedProd. Now this is a completely customizable page. This one has a custom background with a section that says thank you with an image, and I'm offering a little gift for people, which is a 20% off coupon for them to browse my products with. Now you can completely customize this with any offer that you wish, or showcase more products, or even other giveaways and contests that you've created. If you're not familiar with SeedProd, it's the #1 landing page builder for WordPress. You can create landing pages completely from scratch, and our new feature, which is the theme builder, and it's a major update, will now let you create full themes from scratch as well. On the SeedProd YouTube channel, there is a video on how to make a thank you page in WordPress if you need help setting a page like this up yourself. I'll leave a link to this video in the description below. So let's go ahead and install RafflePress and set up our contest. Then I'll show you how to redirect to the thank you page easily in the settings. If you don't have RafflePress, please visit rafflepress.com or click the link in the description below. Once here, you can go ahead and click on Get RafflePress Now and select the account that makes the most sense for you, and then click on Login. Here you can use the email address and password that you used to sign up with and click Login. Once you've logged into your account, let's click on Downloads. It's the second tab here from the left, and click on Download RafflePress. We'll also need the license key here on the bottom left-hand corner. We can just click the little icon here to copy that. We're done with this window, so we can close this for now, and let's come back to our WordPress dashboard. Here on the left-hand side, let's go under Plugins and Add New. Up top, we can click on Upload Plugin, and we can actually just drag this zip file from the bar here to choose file. If you're using a different browser, you can just simply click on Choose File and then select the zip file from your downloads file or anywhere on your hard drive that it downloaded to. Next, let's go ahead and click on Install Now. Let's go ahead and activate the plugin, and RafflePress will ask for your license key. Let's go ahead and paste that right here and click Verify Key. If everything went well, you should see a green success message here up in the top right corner. If you're using the same browser as I am or similar, we can close this tab at the bottom. Next, on the left hand side, let's go ahead and create our first contest. So we'll click on Add New. And here it's going to ask you for a giveaway name. So I'll type in a name for my contest. For my contest, I'm going to offer a vacation giveaway, and then you can select a template. So the templates will add certain actions to your contest to give you a little bit of a head start. So for example, if you want to grow your Facebook page, you can click on Use this template to do so. For this example, I'll use the classic giveaway, which does not add any templates. Now we can see a preview of our contest here that we can modify. On the left-hand side, we have 4 tabs for Details, Actions, Design, and Settings. Under the Details tab, we can click on the little icon here, and this will open the editor to edit the information about our contest. So we can change the name, and we can change the description as well. Lastly, we can go ahead and select an image for our contest. Go ahead and click on the button to select an image. Now I have one image in here already, and this is the background image that I used on the thank you page. We can use that again for our contest, but for this picture, I'm going to upload a new file, and this will be a vacation picture. I'll just drag and drop this in here, and you can see that it gets uploaded. You can also click on Upload Files and click the button here to select the file manually. I'll come back to the media library, make sure that that picture is selected, and choose Image on the bottom right corner. Once we're done, we can go ahead and click on Done Editing, and there you can see a preview of our current contest. Next, we can go ahead and select the start time and the end time of our contest, and then go ahead and select your time zone. Once you're happy with these details, we can go under Actions on the left-hand side, and this is where we can enter the certain ways that people can enter this contest. So for example, if I wanted to focus on just growing my Facebook account or Facebook page, I can select all of the Facebook options here to do so. So for example, we can select Visit Us on Facebook. And once this is selected, you can go ahead and change the details about this. So here's a title for that specific action that you can change. How many points is this worth? So if they enter using this action, do you want to give them 1 to 5 points? You can make this mandatory, which I'll do so. You can allow daily entries if you like. I'm going to say no. And then you have the URL to your Facebook page. Great. If you want to add more actions, we can come back and hit Actions, and you can select more options here if you like. You're not limited to Facebook, obviously. You can go for Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitch, YouTube, and others. You have lots of different options here and different strategies that you can use. For this example, I'm just going to keep it simple with this one option. Next, once you're happy, let's go ahead under Design. You can change the layout here. So we have 2 different options. Right now we have the header, text, and then image, but we can switch this so that the image is at the top. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Under fonts, you can change from these presets if you wish. So I'll change to, for example, Railway with Lato, and you can see that updated. We also have the button color. So this is going to change the Use Your Email button. I'll select something maybe a little bit more tropical looking. Down here we have the page background. This is only applicable to standalone pages. So this means if you have a page only for your contest, which we'll set up in our settings. Otherwise, you can use a block or a shortcode to embed this contest into your WordPress pages or posts. Instead of a background color, I'm going to actually select an image, and I'm going to select this background image that I used on the thank you page, and I'll insert this into the post. So now these two pages are matching a little bit better. At the bottom, you can add some custom CSS if you wish. Next, I'll go under settings, and here we can see our giveaway name that we've already named early on when we created our contest. We have our page permalink. So here I'll just type vacation. So this is our URL/vacation. We have our display options, so you can hide the total entries or show winners. You can also limit the signups per IP, so you can limit to 3 signups per IP address. I'll go ahead and enable that. Here you can show the RafflePress link on your contest if you wish, and you can join our affiliate program here and put your URL in here. So if anybody's interested in using RafflePress, you can get a 20% commission. Under giveaway rules, you can set your rules here, and we have the rules generator that you can use that makes this really simple. We also have email verification if you want people to confirm their emails. We have success tracking. This is where you can put your Google Analytics and your retargeting pixels or other scripts. We also have social logins, GDPR, reCAPTCHA, and webhooks. In this video, we want to look at success redirect. Now, this is where we can actually redirect people to another page. So this can be any URL that you wish on your website or even another website if you want. Let's go ahead and enable success redirect. And I'm going to select the full URL here and copy this and come back and paste that right into here. And I'm going to come back and click on save the page. And I have a little error here. It says, sorry, the page permalink you assigned already exists. So I must have used it already. I'll come back to general and I'll call this, say, vacation contest instead. Let's go ahead and try again. I'll click save and that worked just fine. Next, I'm going to come over to the publish tab. Now you have 3 different ways that you can publish this contest. So again, you can import this with a WordPress block into a page or post. You can use a shortcode if you wish, or in this example, we're going to use a giveaway landing page. Now this is the URL that we set, vacation contest. We can go ahead and view this page. So there we go. We can see our finished contest. So you could share this on your social media or your email list and have people enter your giveaway contest. Let's go ahead and we'll log into this giveaway. So use your email. I'll put in my name and we'll put in an email address. Next, I'll click on enter. And now that we're logged in, we can access the different entries here. So I'll click on visit RafflePress on Facebook. I'll click here and I'll visit the page. This will load in a little window, and then I'll go ahead and close this. And you can see that this redirected us to a thank you page once all of the entries were completed. Now that you know how to redirect to a thank you page in WordPress contests, maybe you would like to check out this video on how to run an online giveaway for beginners using RafflePress. This is another great tutorial for beginners new to building online contests with the best WordPress giveaway plugin on the market. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.